Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking and removing the seat, get immediate access to the tail assembly. Once the seat is off, remove the visible 2 or 3 bolts and any plastic clips. Put fasteners in a small tray so nothing gets lost. Next, disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent sparks while you work on the wiring. This step eliminates electrical hazards and saves time later, so make sure it's secure before moving on to the rear panel removal. Now you'll unbolt the tail panel and carefully pry the retaining clips. Work slowly to avoid cracking plastic. Once the panel is free, reach the bulb holder, grip it, and twist counterclockwise to release. Pull the old bulb straight out. Inspect the socket for corrosion or frayed wires. Cleaning or tightening connections explains many failures. If the holder is damaged, replace it before installing a new bulb. Make sure connectors are snug, so the new bulb will get consistent power. Insert the correct replacement bulb, pushing it straight into the socket until it clicks. This ensures good contact. Reconnect the battery negative terminal, then test the brake, running, and turn functions so you confirm operation before reassembly. Once verified, reseat the tail panel, align clips, and tighten bolts to hand firm plus a small turn. Avoid stripping plastic threads. Finally, replace the seat and lock it. If a light still fails, check bulb orientation and socket voltage with a multimeter. Loose ground is a common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.